Space is vast. It's filled with billions of galaxies. Each galaxy has billions of stars. Most stars are part of a system. They orbit a central point with planets and other objects. However, some stars are different. These are rogue stars. They travel alone. They are not bound to any galaxy. They wander through the cosmos. Rogue stars are fascinating objects. They challenge our understanding of stellar evolution. They are not born in isolation. They form like other stars within galaxies. But something happens. Something forces them out of their homes. Imagine a star hurtling through the emptiness of space. It has no sunrises, it has no sunsets, it has no planets to light. It travels alone, a silent wanderer in the cosmic dark. These stars are difficult to detect. They emit very little light. They are far away from us, but they offer valuable insights. They tell us about the life and death of stars. They tell us about the evolution of galaxies. Rogue stars are not born alone. They begin their lives in stellar nurseries within galaxies. So how do they end up as solitary wanderers? The answer lies in their chaotic beginnings. Stars are rarely born alone. They often form in binary or multiple star systems. These systems are held together by gravity, but this delicate balance can be disrupted. Imagine two stars orbiting each other closely. A third star approaches. Its gravity disrupts the system. One of the stars is flung out. It is ejected into space at incredible speed. Another way rogue stars are created is through galactic collisions. When galaxies merge, their gravitational forces are immense. Stars can be torn from their orbits. They are thrown into the vast emptiness of space. These events are incredibly violent. They are a testament to the powerful forces at play in the universe. These events create the rogue stars. Once ejected, rogue stars begin their solitary journeys. They travel through the vast expanse between galaxies. Their paths are determined by gravity. They are influenced by the overall structure of the universe. These journeys can last for billions of years. During their travels, rogue stars encounter very little matter. The space between galaxies is almost empty. However, they do encounter vast clouds of gas and dust. Imagine a rogue star, a pinprick of light against the blackness. It encounters a nebula, a cloud of interstellar gas. The star's light illuminates the surrounding dust. It creates a faint, ethereal glow. These encounters are fleeting. The rogue star continues on its journey. It travels alone, carrying with it the secrets of its violent past. Section 4: Implications Rethinking Galactic Dynamics. The existence of rogue stars has significant implications. It changes our understanding of galactic evolution. It challenges our assumptions about star formation. For example, the number of rogue stars is surprising. Some estimates suggest there may be more rogue stars than stars in galaxies. This has led astronomers to rethink their models. They must account for the significant number of ejected stars. Furthermore, rogue stars carry information. They carry information about their parent galaxies. This information is valuable to astronomers. It helps them to understand how galaxies form and evolve. By studying the speed and direction of rogue stars, astronomers can learn about the gravitational forces that ejected them. This information can be used to map the distribution of dark matter. Section 5. Unseen influences the gravity of rogue stars. Rogue stars may be invisible to the naked eye, but their gravity still has an effect on the universe. As they travel through space, they interact with other objects. These interactions can have subtle but significant consequences. For example, a rogue star passing near a planetary system could disrupt the orbits of planets. In extreme cases, it could even eject planets from their systems, creating more rogue planets. Moreover, rogue stars contribute to the overall gravitational landscape of the universe. This can influence the motion of galaxies and galaxy clusters. Understanding the role of rogue stars in this cosmic dance is crucial for building accurate models of the universe's evolution. Section 6. Conclusion: the future of rogue star research. Rogue stars remain a mystery. They are difficult to observe, but they hold vital clues about the universe. As technology advances, we can detect more of these solitary wanderers. New telescopes and observation techniques will allow us to study these stars in greater detail. We will be able to determine their composition, their age, and their history. This will provide us with unprecedented insights into the life cycle of stars and the evolution of galaxies. The study of rogue stars is just beginning, but it has already revealed the universe to be a more dynamic and complex place than we ever imagined. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we are sure to uncover even more secrets hidden within these solitary wanderers of the cosmos.